how to get Netflix on your PS4 so you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies right from your gaming console. This process is quick and easy, so let's get started. Here's how to download and set up Netflix on your PS4. Turn on your PS4 and ensure it's connected to the internet. You need a stable connection to download and stream Netflix. Navigate to the home screen if you're not already there. Now scroll to the PlayStation Store icon on your PS4 home screen and select it. Wait for the store to load and then navigate to the search bar. Use the search bar to type in Netflix. Select the Netflix app from the search results. Click on the Netflix app to go to its download page. Select download or add to library and wait for the app to install on your PS4. Open the app. Once the app is downloaded, return to the PS4 home screen and navigate to your library. Find and select the Netflix app from your list of installed applications. Open the Netflix app by pressing the X button on your controller. Now you'll be prompted to sign into your Netflix account. Enter your Netflix email and password using the on-screen keyboard. Select sign in to access your Netflix account. Once logged in, you can browse to Netflix extensive library of movies and TV shows. Select a title and start streaming right on your PS4. And that's it. You successfully downloaded and set up Netflix on your PS4. Now you're all set to enjoy your favorite content from the comfort of your couch. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crypto tips and tricks.